Hello all, welcome back to another session. If you are one of the software testers who are not getting software testing related interview calls, then this session is just for you. Watch this session till the end of the video so that you will get hell lot of points using which you will start getting the software testing interview calls. So let's get started. So let me go here. If you are the ones into the software testing field and you're not getting software testing interview calls, don't be afraid of that situation or don't be worried about this situation. So I'm going to give you some reasons why this is happening for you and what are the different changes you can make so that you can overcome this particular situation. So the first thing here is up and down in the market. You see, market is not always open for you. Whenever you have started applying for software testing interview calls and applying for the software testing jobs, what will happen? Let's say that was the time where the market is bit down and you are actually kept on applying for the jobs. You will definitely get demotivated. Okay. No matter how I am applying for the jobs, I'm not even getting a single call. So sometimes the market will be up and down for a month. Okay. For 1 month, we'll not get any calls. For the other month, we'll start getting the calls. So don't lose your patience. Okay. So stick to it. Continue, guys. Continue applying for the jobs over a period of time until you get the calls. That is the first thing that you need to understand. Just by applying for the software testing jobs for a week or 2 weeks or for 1 month of time, may not help you out. Okay. And you may get a conclusion kind of feeling that there are no jobs in the market in as part of software testing, but that is not true. Once the market opens up, you may get the job calls. Okay. So don't lose don't lose your confidence. Don't stop trying. Hustle more and you know try your level best in applying as many jobs as possible in all the different ways possible from different websites, all the areas that okay, that you can do without losing your confidence and all, without without getting demotivated otherwise. Okay, the solution here is keep applying and wait patiently until you get the job calls. Okay, interview calls. So that's one thing. That's the number one thing. Okay. So that will happen with a lot of people. You see, a lot of people just go jobless sometimes. Some people are applying for the jobs, want to get into this IT field, that software testing in the IT field and all, but they get demotivated because they don't keep applying for the jobs and they are not patient enough. Okay. So they apply for a while and they leave it. Okay, it's not working. Let's leave it. Okay. Just overcome that mindset, guys, and keep applying until okay, your ultimate goal should be to get into the software testing job. If that is the case, no matter what, you will keep applying for the job and you will wait patiently until the market recovers. These days it happens where, 1 month it may be good, 1 month it may not be good. Okay. So whatever the situations may be, keep applying and that's the number one thing. Okay. Fine. Next thing here is only manual testing. If you know, then no matter how much you apply, the first advice doesn't apply for you guys. Okay. The problem here is there is a hell lot of competition in the market these days. You see, unlike the software testing field, which was, 10 years back or, whatever that is, the days gone by. Now, in the current days, the software testing field has changed a lot and the companies are expecting a lot from you because of the high competition. Because of this high competition and the company even wants the people who need to be recruited need to have good skill set. But if you're only sticking to manual testing, if you only have the skills set of manual testing, it's kind of very bad these days, guys. Okay, only manual testing is no more going to work for you. You need to upskill yourself. Okay, very difficult to get a interview call with manual testing resume, manual testing skill set mentioned in your resume. You need to upskill yourself. What are the different things that you need to upskill yourself and mention in your resume, or these are the different things. Automation is the number one thing that will come to the situation when you only have the manual testing skill set. It's nowadays compulsory to have automation knowledge. Okay, you need to have skill set on automation, test automation, and the current top two famous automation testing tools are Selenium, Java, and Playwright with TypeScript. Selenium test automation tool with Java programming language. Other one is Playwright with TypeScript. These are the two important ones. Okay, so it's though there are many automation tools, but if you focus on giving the first priority to Selenium Java, start with Selenium with Java language, then go to Playwright with TypeScript, guys. Okay, so that's one thing. And also, not just learning the automation tools, when you attend the interviews, or what will happen here is, even though you get a software testing interview call, but when you attend the interview, if you are not good with Java programming, though you are good with automation, but if you are not good with programming, the high chances that you will not get selected. Okay, so it's better, along with the Selenium Java, give equal importance for Selenium and Java, guys. Okay, the programming language is also important. Practice every day Java programming, and even get to the level where you learn data structures and algorithms using Java. Okay, don't stop yourself anywhere. There are a lot of things in the market like hacker rank and all those stuff, and a lot of resources are there on the online where you can keep practicing Java programming every day. That is number one thing. Okay, so along with the automation, also be good with one of the programming language. Then the next important thing to upskill yourself these days, it is mandatory, guys. Whatever I am saying are mandatory, it's not just optional. Okay, don't just choose between the items. These are all mandatory these days. Second thing here is API testing. Manual API testing with Postman tool and API automation using REST assured framework are kind of important these days, guys. Just having the automation knowledge is not enough on UI automation part, but API automation is also important. So learn API testing basics in order to be good at API automation using REST assured framework and all. You need to be good with API testing concepts, and also API testing manual and automation both are important in this case. Not only that, you need to be good with CI/CD, guys. CI/CD. Okay. You need to learn some tools, like you need to be good with Git, GitHub, and Jenkins, because these are the things that you'll use in real time with the automation tools and all those stuff. So CI/CD, Git, GitHub, Jenkins, at least you need to be good with. And many other will be there, guys, and many others will be there. Like, for mobile automation, APM will be there. Okay, so like that, many automation tools will be there. The list is endless. So you need to keep on upskilling yourself. The more upskill you will do, the more the chances that your resume will get selected in the interviews. Okay, for the interview calls. So apart from that, APM, secure testing, performance testing, and keep learning. There is no end for this. But if you want to upskill yourself, there is no end, guys. You have to keep learning. Okay. Then at least keep 3 years of automation testing experience, guys. Is another important thing that you need to know. If you are putting only 1 year of automation testing experience, and if you are trying for the jobs, there is a less possibility that you will get a job call or interview call, etc. So at least try to keep minimum 3 years of experience into automation testing. Okay, 1 year experience may not get much calls. You may get a call, but when compared to 3 years of automation testing experience, you see, the companies will look for the experts, right? Basically, so they don't want someone who has less experience. Okay, so they want more experience. If there is a possibility that you can increase your years of experience into the automation testing, then keep it as minimum 3 years. Okay, that's another important thing that you need to note down, and you need to be aware of. And that may be one of the reasons why you are not getting the software testing interview calls. Okay, the next thing here is resume. Okay, you see, your market is good. You kept on applying for the jobs patiently and all. Now market has become good, and you have upskilled yourself. No matter how much knowledge or upskilling you have done, but if your resume is not good, you will not get any interview calls. Okay, so you have to give good focus for the resume, guys. You need to put a lot of focus in resume. Okay, you will be, I know that you'll be putting more focus on upskilling yourself throughout your life, but ultimately, to get the interview calls, you need to put a lot of focus on improvising your resume on a day-to-day basis. Optimize your resume with different SEO keywords in the software testing industry, and compare your resume with other resumes, and keep adding more keywords. The way you are upskilling yourself, that keywords are there in your resume at the appropriate places in your resume. Keep comparing your resume with best resumes in the market and all those stuff. Okay, do whatever you want. Okay, up to you how much better you want to make your resume. Just having knowledge and experience is not enough, guys. You need to keep optimizing your resume with a hell lot of SEO keywords, search engine optimization keywords. Why? Because if you don't put, for example, if you didn't put a keyword, simple keyword like I am from Hyderabad, then the recruiters who are looking for the people from Hyderabad may not be able to filter your resume because Hyderabad keyword is not there. Okay, I cannot say that, right? You see, you missed it. You may have put software testing, Java, Selenium, Playwright, but Hyderabad is missing here. Okay, the location is missing here, so you may miss the your resume may not get filtered. Okay, while the you know while the recruiters are searching or filtering your resume on different job portals. That's another important thing. Make sure your resume is SEO friendly, and these days a lot of tools are there in the market like ChatGPT or something. They'll help you in how to add different keywords into your resume, what you are missing. You can do hell lot of research there, and finally optimize your resume. If your resume is not getting enough software testing interview calls, this may be one of the reasons where you are missing some keywords. Okay, all the technologies that you know, whatever the things that you have done with your projects and all, if that things information you have mentioned in your resume is missing some keywords, proper keywords, your resume may not get filtered because you say recruiters will get 10,000, 1 lakh kind of resumes. Okay, and yours is one of them. Your resume should stand out. For it to stand out, you need to put a hell lot of efforts these days, guys. Okay, no matter how much upskilling you can do, but there are other people also doing a lot of upskilling, and even though they don't know, also they may put some keywords, and because of that, your resume may go down. Okay, so and may not get filtered for getting the software testing interview call. So be okay with that, and do that. Okay, update resume daily basis on Naukri, guys. You see, just uploading the resume to these kind of job portals one day and forgetting that and just waiting for the calls doesn't help you, guys. Okay, if you upload your resume on a daily basis by modifying the resume bit or improvising your resume bit, okay, at least putting a full stop symbol also makes sense. And if you're uploading, so in the pipeline, a lot of resumes will be waiting in the pipeline by the interviewers, right? I mean, recruiters, right? So your resume will go up a bit when compared to other people. So keep uploading your resume on a daily basis, no matter what. Just set one point of time every day. At that particular time, you just upload your resume. If any modifications are required, do that, or just change something and upload. Okay. So and another few things, few more tips regarding the resumes. Don't If you're a fresher, just one page resume is enough, guys. You can put all the information, important information that the recruiter need to know, that you need to put here. Like maximum 2 pages for the experienced people, guys. See, for the freshers, just put 1 page. No one want to read 10 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages. Okay, just 2 pages of resume is well enough, and try to use all your skill set in not missing any keywords and optimizing your resume so that it fits just 2 pages. Okay, this is very important. Then modify a resume according. You see, not all jobs. Your resume may not fit for all the jobs. Sometimes what will happen is when you are applying for the jobs, you clearly understand that what the job. Okay, there is a job posting happened, and when you want to apply for the job, you can clearly see what the company is expecting from you. Okay, for them when you are applying for the job, right, or sending the resume to their email ID or something, right. You just go to the job description and accordingly modify your resume. Don't use a static resume and keep uploading or sending to them. Okay, general resume will not work. You have to keep modifying and keep personal copies with you. Have a folder and multiple versions of multiple types of resume you have according to the jobs you are applying in the software testing field. You upload that resume. Okay, you should emphasize on things that job posting is actually the recruiter is looking for you. As part of the job posting, you will get all the information. Using that, you customize your resume and upload. Okay, that kind of efforts are really required, guys. Okay, and make resume attractive, guys. Okay, when I look at your resume, I should feel that it should be comfortable for me to read it in a proper way. I should get some kind of impression on you by looking at the resume. Okay, so make sure that how attractive or how professional you will make the resume, or how organized you want to make the resume. That also makes sense. Okay, every minute things make sense, guys, in getting the software testing interview calls. So be okay with that. Sometimes your resume will speak, guys, not you. Okay, because you'll not be visible, but resume will be visible, and by looking at the resume, you know, the recruiters or HR people mindset generally changes. Okay, so give all this put all these items into your resume, and you know, follow all these items and prepare the resume so that you'll get better calls. Then do add the certifications to your resume, guys, and also do the certifications. When the competition is very high, there is nothing wrong in doing the certifications, because certifications help you to upskill also yourself, whether you get a job because of the certifications or not. But whatever you are learning, you will become more confident, and you will feel that you are worthful. Okay, after being successful in doing certifications, you will yourself will feel that you are worthful. It's not compulsory, certifications are not compulsory everywhere, but if you do, there is no harm in doing. Maybe sometimes, you know, because of the ISTQB certifications or whatever certifications you have done in secure testing or whatever it is, may help you out. Okay, may help you out. So make sure, if you have some time and if you're okay, do the certifications. Even though they are optional, they are sometimes useful in getting software testing interview calls. Sometimes the recruiters will filter certified people. Okay, so then if you are not certified in any particular thing, your resume will not get filtered, right? To beat that competition, you can also do the certifications meanwhile. The next important thing is, after all this stuff, okay, after all this stuff, you need to also look into the networking part, guys. Sometimes we need to do a lot of you need to put a lot of efforts in attending the interview calls. Sometimes the calls may not come automatically just by uploading your resume on the, you know, job portals and all. But sometimes we have to do a hell lot of networking by attending lot of events. Lot of software testing events happen where you kind of meet different people, have conversation between with the different people. When you go to a software testing conference, the all the people who attend that software testing conference are all the people who are already working in different companies. If you get a chance to meet anyone, casually talk to them and all, you know, even though they are strangers for you, you know, some experts will be coming, some influencers will be coming in the software testing field, some, okay, all the different category of people will be coming. You have hell lot of time there. Okay, hell lot of time there from morning to evening. Connect with someone, okay, and talk to them, understand at least whether they will help you in referring or not, because the people who are working already in the company, they will be working in some project. Because of the policies in their company, there is a possibility that one of the post may get vacant and they may help you out. Okay, so I have seen this, guys, with in my circles, where, you know, people used to connect over the events, and other people used to help each other. Okay, that used to happen. Okay, that generally happens. So networking is also very important. Don't miss any networking event. Okay, so when you are into the software testing field, whether you are looking for a job or not, from the day one itself you start networking, guys. From the day one itself you start networking. You attend a good number of conferences out there, okay, events out there. Any software testing related events, you be there. No matter what, whether it is useful or not, you be there and try to make a lot of connections, take their numbers, connect to them over LinkedIn, and follow up them over a period of time. And what happens? Miracles will happen, where, you know, in very difficult times also, when people are not getting the interview calls, you may get a call because of this simple reason of networking. Okay, you will be going into the priority or VIP list, okay, when compared to other people, because you have believed in a different path that other people have not believed, and they have done a lot of networking. And because of the networking, you will not only get the guidance, but also you may get a lot of referrals, using which you can easily crack the jobs. Okay, at least get the interview calls, and also can crack the jobs also. Okay, so hope, guys, you got the different ideas from this session, using which you will start getting the software testing interview calls. These are only things, guys. Okay, you don't have to do much. Okay, if you follow all the things that I have covered in this session, you will start getting the software testing interview calls. Okay, so wait for the market to be good and upskill yourself. Like anything, just upskilling is not enough. Keep updating your resume or optimizing your resume with all the skills you have, with the help of these keywords. You can take the help of ChatGPT or other tools to help you in building the resume with these keywords and all. And you know, a lot of techniques will be there in improvising your resume, that you can get it online, or you can watch other videos and do it. Then add some certifications to beat the competition. Some amount of competition, not entire competition. And then networking is also powerful. Okay, so with this, I would like to end this session. Bye everyone, take care, thank you.